In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page in Squarespace 7.1. To begin, sign into your Squarespace account and open your site dashboard. This is where you manage the main parts of your website, including your pages, design, and content. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Pages section. In some Squarespace setups, you may first need to click Website and then select Pages from there. Either path will take you to the same place. Inside the Pages area, you will see the structure of your site laid out for you. This includes your main navigation, which is where the pages linked in your site menu usually appear. For a landing page, you may not always want it to show in the main navigation right away. That is why the next area is important. Scroll down past the main navigation until you reach the section labeled Not Linked. This section is used for pages that exist on your site but are not automatically displayed in your main menu. It is a useful place for landing pages, especially if you want to share the page through a direct link, use it for a promotion, or keep it separate from your regular site navigation. Once you are in the Not Linked section, click the plus icon to add a new page. Squarespace will then show you a list of page types you can create. From those options, choose Blank Page. A blank page gives you a clean starting point, which is ideal for building a focused landing page without extra distractions. After selecting Blank Page, Squarespace will prompt you to name the page. Type in the title you want to use for your landing page. Choose a clear and descriptive name so it is easy to identify later in your page list. When you are done, press Enter to create the page. At this point, your new landing page has been added to the Not Linked section, and you are ready to continue customizing it inside Squarespace. Keeping it in Not Linked gives you flexibility while you work, and you can always move it later if needed. That covers everything you need to know.